Subscribe to our YouTube channel for in-depth interviews of India Inc. and press the bell icon so that you do not miss our updates.
Hello and welcome to Nirmal Bang, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Hiral Daria. We have with us Kunal Shah, Head of Commodities Research, joining in. Kunal, overall, if you go to see, 90.91 is where the dollar index actually, reached. Now, with this, how do you see the movement from here on?
Yeah, I told everyone that 91.50 is going to be the stiff resistance for dollar index, and I'm expecting it to go down from there. And yesterday, exactly, we saw that 91.40 on the up move day before yesterday, and from then we've seen a continuous decline in the dollar index. The US 10-year bond yields have also cooled off along with the dollar index. So I think the trend for the dollar index for the time being continues to remain on the downside, and 91.50 is the level it is not going to take off.
Right. And with this, you have the US payroll numbers data that will be watched out for today. Any impact are you seeing that would cause volatility with regards to the dollar index?
Yeah, I think it's gonna create a lot of volatility. It's. I was reading today morning. What is the consensus? The consensus is 1.1 million number as far as the job is concerned. So yesterday also, if you notice what happened yesterday, the jobless claims number came. That number was actually very bearish for gold and silver, and gold and silver shot up and made a new high. So I think today also, if the payrolls number is good, it doesn't mean gold and silver should crash.
Hmm.
So please do not. I'm still bullish. So if you remember, after I had COVID and I started my webinar, I give target of gold $1840. Okay, yesterday we've seen $1820. So I'm expecting another $20 to $25 upside in a short term. So not to go short in gold, very risky. In commodity, until we get any major data points, which indicates. So day before yesterday also we recommended that it can go down till 600, and from there it can shoot up. So in Wednesday and today, gold is up by almost 1,000 rupees. Silver is up by almost 2,500 rupees. So I'm still bullish. I will tell you my levels. These are not technical levels.
Hmm.
Chinmay, I'm not the right person, for levels. I'm a hardcore fundamentalist. So technical levels, but yes, these are just my understanding, the number which I see all the time, and out of that I infer that it can go down. So generally I don't say level, I say 200, 300 rupees downside and you buy.
Hmm.
Okay. So today also my view is same. Any dip of 150 to 200 rupees. So right now it is trading around 620. So 500, 450 you can buy again. And if the payroll numbers are bad, then gold will anyway shoot up. But they are good. Then if gold goes down, buy in that dip and you will again see going up, because the jobless claims number yesterday, 50,000 numbers, 50,000 K, we've seen drop in jobless claim. So
Correct.
people filing for jobless claim dropped. So this is basically bearish for gold. Instead of that, gold rallied.
Rally.
So keep a close eye on the what is happening with the dollar index and the US 10-year bond yields. If they continue to go down after the jobless claim report,
Hmm.
then you are, I think it is going to definitely shoot up. So my advice is buy at dips, still looks strong. $1840 looks on the cards, and silver also yesterday we've seen a good breakout, 73,000, 73,500 on the cards. The problem with all the commodity, if you see what is happening in the equity also, all the commodity stocks are rallying. The
Correct.
problem right now is the dollar index is getting weaker, the mines which have got shut. So after India right now, who is the major sufferer in COVID? South America,
Hmm.
Peru, Chile, Mexico, where the major mines of silver, major mines of copper are located. There, because of the COVID crisis, the production is still not reached to the pre-COVID level,
Hmm.
and demand because of the cleaner energy. If you know what is going on, Mr. Joe Biden is pledging that they should focus more on cleaner technology, cleaner energy by 2030. They want emission to go back to the levels of 2005. So this itself is causing a lot of demand. A lot of people are storing copper and there is a euphoria. So these are not the levels, where I would say that positional buy. But commodity as an asset class right now is in a major super cycle, major bull run. Still, it can continue for some time, and we have to capitalize on the dips to go long.
Right. And with this, Kunal, you've been of the opinion that it's a positive rally with regards to base metals as well. And that's clearly seen with what's happening, especially if you see the way crude has been trading. Clearly, we are seeing that up move that's coming in terms of base metals. Do you think still it's a good buying opportunity?
It is definitely good buying opportunity for the whenever it goes down, oil goes down, you see buying emerging. But the problem with oil is everyone who is forecasting or predicting prices of oil, they were expecting that oil demand will shoot up by 5 million barrels per day, which is not moving up. So what is happening on one side, people are anticipating a stronger demand and then the supply will come back, but neither supply is coming back nor the demand is coming back. So market is in a status quo mode, and the way all the commodities are rallying, you see inflow coming into crude oil also. So I think not positional buy, but for 70-80 rupees you can go long in crude oil because of this madness going on in the segment itself.
And what about base metals, especially copper?
Copper is the strongest. There is a two mine strike going on right now. So I explained everyone on Wednesday that copper is in a very strong bull run. A small correction. Monday we were expecting small correction. It did not come, and from there it is moving up. It is already 782. I am really not able to say that positionally buy, but for trading still buy 779, 780 buy 786, 787. So see, the fears, understand the fear psychology. What is happening in the market is at every higher level, everyone. So I get call from all the regions, sir, jab copper mein short hai, please let us know. Jab copper mein short hai, please let us know. And copper continuously, it keeps on moving up. So everyone is waiting, that copper 350 ka 800 rupees ho gaya hai, so we should short. We should short, but we should get a reason. We should get some trigger to short it. Right now, there is a madness going on in this segment, commodity, and I don't know how many people are able to capitalize on it. But if there are short triggers available in the market, then I will let the team know. Right now, no short triggers. Buy with a strict stop loss, because we are already at a cliff right now. So any negative news, any negative surprise, you can see a sharp fall. So buy with a strict stop loss. You should keep a stop loss around 75, 76, and you should book it around 88, 90. You should book your profit around those levels. So still buy on copper. Aluminum seems to be giving a good breakout. Aluminum today we saw about 200 rupees, 201 good levels to go long, 199 keep a stop loss, 204, 205. So aluminum is good buy. Lead is also good buy. I think lead can test 181, 182. So all euphoria in this segment, and I will definitely recommend to go long.
Okay. And any resistance levels that you see for copper? That's a question coming in.
Okay. So basically, resistance level, I really don't know the chart. Like I told you, please refer to the morning commentary which is made by Harshal Mehta. So this report is basically uploaded on a website also, on a mobile app also, and it is flashed on a group also. So please watch out for the levels from that report.
Right. And can we see silver at 80,000 this month? That's another question coming in, Kunal.
Not this month, but yes, we can see if the key when silver prices. See, I'll explain you one thing in commodities. There are 37 people right now in this forum, and I would like to tell all of them and whoever are going to listen, there is no price of a shortage in commodities. So for example, if the demand of a certain commodity is say 100 and the supply is 90, so this 10 is the difference between demand and supply. So if there is a 10% shortfall, then prices can go up by 20%, 40%, or 80%. So there is no model, financial model available in the market which can say that how much prices can go up. Prices can go up because it can go up by 20%, 40%, 50% when there are shortages. And that is what has happened throughout 1 year. There are shortages in oil, artificial shortages created by OPEC. There are shortages in metal because of the COVID-19. All the mines are shut, and that's why the production is not coming back and prices are shooting up. So हमको लग रहा है कि बहुत बढ़ गया अभी सिल्वर. Last year I remember in the month of March silver was 49,000. Today is 72,000. So prices, it can test 80,000, but for me it is very difficult to say that whether it is going to be testing 80,000 in 1 month or in 15 days. It can test. जब तक माइंस का प्रोडक्शन रीस्टार्ट होके मार्केट में आना चालू नहीं होता है, it can definitely go up. So bullish on overall commodity segment. Gold, silver too look very bullish. एक बार $1840 आएगा तब मैं प्रॉफिट बुक करने के लिए कहूंगा सबको. I'll recommend, and then we'll take a fresh call on gold from there.
Absolutely. So that's a bullish view coming in overall across in terms of commodities. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Kunal, as well, for joining us on the show.